but today was a good day. No denying that, because you look at the market, even the Bank Nifty's cut its losses quite significantly, and the Nifty is going home at the day's high with a gain of 170 points. So it's been a slow, steady climb to the top today. And once again, the index is barely 50 points away from the 22,000 mark. So let's talk about what worked. IT, and more IT. So HCL Tech, TCS, Wipro, Infosys, all of your large cap names are right up there. IT was the best performing part of the market. But then you can never finish a sentence these days without talking about PSU stocks. So let me not go too far, because BPCL has had another roaring session, 6.5% up on BPCL. It takes the total winnings of the year so far to 35% on BPCL. And then you have ONGC keeping it good company. Even the others, HPCL, etc., they all had a pretty decent session. And let's not forget some of the other names like Coal India, SBI. So within the PSU pack, these were some of the active stocks, along with Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel's results quite well received by the market. The stock was up 2%. However, I must point out that Power Grid was quite noticeable in terms of a bit of a cool-off. While we're talking about the overall PSU rally, Power Grid managed to cool down a little bit.
Okay, on the losing side, you spoke about Power Grid, but Britannia lost, its crunch ahead of its numbers. So Britannia was down 2.2%, ITC2 giving it company, and heavyweight Reliance Industries dragged its feet, ending with a cut of close to about 0.7%. The mid-caps outperformed. The mid-cap index goes home with a gain of close to about 1.2%. One of the stars of today's trade is the new listing, BLS eServices. You had strength coming through in other PSUs like IOB, IOC. Indiabulls Real Estate gained close to about 11%. Yes Bank was up 11%. And on the losing side, Jio Financial Services gives up yesterday's gains. And Bank of India continues to struggle post its numbers.
So, I mean, just counting down to the final last couple of minutes, last minute actually, just in the last minute of the trade, and we'll have more stocks up on your screen. So maybe look at some of these, broader market names, right? IRB Real Estate, perhaps we can put that up, apart from what we've already mentioned. Big move today. Triveni Turbine is another one, which saw a very large move, and all of these backed by super strong volumes. There is the Triveni Turbine, 20%. Jamna Auto is another one, well-known institutional name, and stock did very well. Latent View, perhaps will come up on your screen. So this is all in the mid and small cap universe. Subex was another one, which saw a very sharp move higher. And there was something like a Inox India, which also went up sharply. So, no dearth of solid kind of movement in the broader market. Market breadth also looking very good. Well, I think 1,600 stocks are higher. I mean, broadly, it's roughly not quite 2:1, but almost there. That is the advanced decline ratio for you. I think we're done. 167 points higher is where the Nifty finally leaves off at. It's a wrap on this edition of Closing Bell here from all of us. Goodbye. Thanks very much for staying with us. But don't go anywhere. Markets Forward will prepare you for what's coming next. That's tomorrow. Stay with us.